Welcome to the user guide video for the ExamLab graduation project for the year 2022. In this video, we will walk through every possible process in the project, starting from creating an account all the way to making and grading exams, starting with the create account process. The user can start creating an account by clicking on the join button. Then, the user has to provide an education mail and a staff URL and click the verify info button. By clicking on the send activation button, an activation link will be sent to the user's mail. When the user clicks on the activation link, the user will be redirected to the create an account page. The user has to provide a password and click on the create account button. That will create an account and redirect the user to the user's courses page. Follow up, the create course process. The user can create a new course by clicking the create course button. Then the user has to provide a course code, course title, and a course description and click the create button. Next is the create question bank process. The user can access the question bank of the course by clicking the question bank button. The user has to click on the add question button to add a new question. First of all, the user has to choose the number of answers for the question. Then, the user has to provide the question body and the answers. The user has to choose at least one label for the question. The user can add new labels by typing the label name and choose its color. Finally, the user has to choose the correct answer for the question and click the add button. After adding some questions, the user can start creating exams by creating a course version first. Moving to the create course version process. The user can access the course version of the course by clicking the course versions button. To add a new course version, the user has to click the create new version button and provide the course version's data. After that, the user has to click the create button to create the course version and navigate to the course versions page. The course version has the students tab and the exams tab. In the students tab, the user can add students to the course version student by student, or by uploading an Excel file which contains the student's data. The create exam process. In the exams tab, the user can add a new exam by clicking the create exam button. Then, the user has to provide the exam type, the number of models and questions, and the exam degree. There are two answer sheet types, the normal type and the complete type. The normal answer sheet type means that the answer sheet of the exam will be ordinary one with no pre-filled data. The complete answer sheet type means that the answer sheets of the exam will be pre-filled by the student's bench number and model. The number of models will equal the number of students in the course version if the user choose the complete answer sheet type. The user has to provide an exam header and an exam footer. Finally, the user can choose labels for questions and the percentage of these questions in the exam models. The user can choose any combinations of these labels and their percentages, which gives more control on the question's distribution. The user has to click on the create button to create the exam. After creating the exam, the user can generate models for the exam by clicking the generate models button. The exam models have the same questions but have been shuffled automatically. The user can mark the exam as ready by changing its state to ready and click the update button. This will make the exam not editable anymore and the user can print the exam models and answer sheets. Finally, the grading process. The user can reach the exam's grading section by clicking the grade exams button. To start grading exam, simply, the user has to drag and drop the picture of the answer sheet and click the start grading button. After that, the grades of the uploaded answer sheet will be displayed. The user can edit the grade by changing the grading result of a specific question. The user has to click the Save Grades button to save the grades for answer sheet student. The user also can grad a single PDF file contains several answer sheet images. In our PDF file, we covered the QR code of the last answer sheet image. The user has to click the Send button to start uploading the file. When the upload completes, the grading process will start on the server. The user will receive a mail with the grades of the uploaded answer sheets at the end of the grading process. The mail will contain the grades and the page numbers that failed to be graded if existed. Finally, the mobile application. The user has to sign in first to use the mobile application. The user can navigate through the courses, the course versions, and the exams attached to the account. In the exam screen, the user can find the exam specifications, the exam models, and the grades of the students if existed. The user can choose to use the bulk upload or the single upload. When pressing on the bulk upload button, the user can choose a PDF file contains the student's answer sheets from the mobile storage. Then, the user has to press on the upload file button to start uploading the PDF file. As in the website, the grading process will start in the server and the user will receive a mail with the grades at the end of the grading process. When the user press on the single upload button, the user has to choose a photo from the mobile gallery or take one from the mobile camera. In the two cases, the user will navigate to the grade single image screen where the user can start the grading process. After that, the grades will be displayed and the user can edit these grades before saving them. Finally, the user can find the grades after being saved in the grades section in a specific exam screen. By pressing on the edit icon for a specific student, the student's grades will be listed and the user can edit the grade of any question. Then the user has to click on the Submit Grades button to update the grades for the chosen student. This was Exam Lab Graduation Project. Thank you for watching.